Do you know what your attachment style is? Have you ever heard of attachment styles? If not, that is okay because we're about to cover that in this video. We can either have an insecure attachment or a secure attachment, and your attachment styles is based on how you connected to your parents or caregivers earlier in life. Say if you had a secure attachment to your mother or your father earlier in life, then you will most likely have a secure attachment in your adulthood. Say if you had an insecure attachment to your parent or caregiver earlier in life, then most likely you're going to fall under the category of having an insecure attachment. Insecure attachment style stems from inconsistent and unresponsive parents. Maybe you had a parent who they were physically present, but they weren't emotionally present. They were not nurturing to you. They did not respond to your emotional needs. They weren't caring. They did not show you any affection. They weren't present at maybe your important life events such as birthday celebrations, graduations, sporting events, or any extracurricular activities that you did. A secure attachment is when a parent or caregiver is consistently responsive and engaged with their child. They are present for their child and their child's emotional needs. They're in tune with their child and they show them love. They show them kindness. They make sure that they're present for the important events in their child's lives. A secure attachment fosters trust. It lets the child know that I can trust this person. I can trust the world that I live in. I can trust myself within the world that I live in. I can trust myself to make healthy decisions. I feel comfortable with intimacy and independence. People who fall under the insecure attachment categories will tend to be fearful, reluctant in relationships or in new environments. Need a lot of reassurance in relationships. They may be clingy or dependent. They will have a fear of abandonment or rejection. They'll always be worried about their relationships, the stability of it. They will think that their partner is going to leave them or assume that their partner is doing the worst. So, Dr. G, why are we covering this today? Because understanding your attachment styles can give you insight to your relational patterns and your emotional responses. You'll be able to self-assess and reflect, man, how do I show up in relationships? What is my attachment style? What are the 4 different types of attachments? Baby, you have secure attachment. Then you have an anxious attachment style. Then you have a dismissive, avoidant attachment style. Last, you have a fearful, disorganized attachment style. Okay, watch the screen now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, the wind is so disrespectful. Y'all see this? How do you show up in relationships? Let me know. Let me know. How has it been working for y'all? Are you avoidant? Are you anxious? Are you disorganized? Or are you secure? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you're used to working with kids, so you have to let them know that you're about to transition. Otherwise, they will have a whole meltdown. I don't want that for y'all because I want y'all to be in y'all secure attachment style. Okay. Okay. So yes, read, read, read. Then I'll give you a countdown when we're about to transition. This one is pretty straight to the point. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, and last but not least. I might still add the photos for y'all because I really don't know if y'all gonna be able to see this or not. I hope y'all can. All I knew was that the queen wasn't about to type all of this out. I just wasn't. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. A beautiful, long-lasting, healthy, abundant, fruitful, prosperous, loving connection is your portion in Jesus' name.